Hey guys, it's FELLE. So, magmumukbang tayo ngayon kasi yung niluto namin barbecue. Yan na, pakita ko yung pagkain namin ngayon. Nakain na ako.
Tamang. Uy, walang alat. Walang pait. Tamang, wala siya. Okay lang yan. Meron ka naman sa iyo. Hindi mo malang. Hindi mo malang kayo. Good for your health yan. Tatawag siya na siya.
You would have your entire apartment strapped to your back.
Takes me a long time to pass.
What
What do you do at work?
you really care what I do? Or do you?
Usually 14 o'clock.
I'm the stacker and the start team.
Yan naman. Okay.
Here there is a ladder. He's listening to the
Ay, continue to see the ring vessel. Ay, naman pala yung...
What naman?
Gano'n ka, bro? Dami ulam. Oh my God! Napablik ka fresh na.
Up. Tigas lang ng taba.
Meron sa baba, parang yung karga. Teka siya, no?
Well, perhaps we have any.
No, sorry siya.
So hey guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope nagustuhan yung aking simple mukbang lang here na talagang pinanood nyo lang ako lumamon na lumamon, sumubo na sumubo. So you can see distracted ako dito kasi nanonood kami ng series and ganyan talaga ako kumain talaga usually. So ipagbigyan nyo na. And yun, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Sana kumain kayo habang kumakain ako kasi mas maganda magmukbang kung magkakasama tayo nakain. Kaya yun, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next vlog. Bye-bye.
If a picture paints a thousand words, if a picture paints a thousand words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show the you I've come to know.